Hey everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to Hello Monday. Today I'm going to be making this colorful birthday card using the brand new cake stamp set and coordinating dies. And I'm also going to be using a rubber brayer to create this multicolored background. Super easy, super fun, super quick. So I am going to use some water-based dye inks. These are by Catherine Pooler, but you could use pigment inks or even the Distress Oxide inks if you wanted to. I'm working with a speedball brayer. This is the 2-inch size. I also own a 4-inch size rubber brayer, and I've owned the speedball brayers for like almost 2 decades. But I do know that Ranger has also recently released black rubber brayers in a couple of sizes, and they're getting rave reviews. So if you can't get your hands on the speedball brayers, take a look at the Ranger brayers. So I find that I get the best results for loading ink if I roll and lift across the ink pad surface, and the same is true when I go across my paper surface. I'm going to roll and then lift and then roll again right over the same spot. Now, I don't care that it's going down in different spot and I'm not getting a perfect roll. I actually really like this haphazard kind of distressed look, and that's what you're going to get when you're using a porous surface paper like the Neenah Solar White. Now, if you're using a coated paper or a glossy paper or even vellum, you're going to get a much smoother blend. So it just depends on the end result that you're going for. Now, to clean between colors, I have a jar of water off camera that I swish my rubber brayer around in, and then I have a lint-free cloth that I use to dry it off completely. So you want to make sure that you're drying off your brayer in between colors so that you don't get any inadvertent drips of water kind of flying off. They're inside the handle. Sometimes the water will collect in there, so I just kind of get in there and dry it off really well. Now, of course, if you want the flying drips of water, then go for it. Don't worry about it. But I wanted this end result. So I trimmed it down and mounted it with tape runner to a square card. This is 4 1/4 square, and it's Neenah Solar White again. But the reason I flush mounted it to the card is I wanted to create this border with the Stickles glitter glue, and I could just butt the nozzle right up against that and squeeze out with steady pressure a nice fine bead of sparkly glitter. And then my focal images were just simply stamped in black ink on white cardstock, die cut them out, and then I popped them up 3D style and added some sparkly stars there to the scoops of ice cream, and that finished it off. Oh, and if your Stickles bottle gets jammed, just take a little pin and clear that nozzle, and you should be right back in business. So I hope you got some tips here for brayering your backgrounds, and have fun experimenting with that. Thanks for watching.